Welcome back to Cook with Bean JB. Today I'm making Shōgayaki or Japanese ginger pork, a super simple home-style dish that goes perfectly with rice. So here I have around like 300 gram pork. This is served for 2 people. And ginger, shredded cabbage, fresh onion, and I love the dish is a little bit spicy, so I prepared 2 fresh chili here. So let's start cook. First, we will start by making the ginger juice. It's the key ingredient for the marinade. To get about 1 tablespoon of ginger juice, you will need around 15 to 20 grams of fresh ginger. Then grate finely. Squeeze out the juice using spoon or small strainer. Now I already have 17 grams ginger to make 1 spoon ginger juice. I start to peel the ginger with the white peeler. And just hold the ginger and circles. Circle. This is a hard job, and I think quite hard job, but it's fun. Nearly finished. So now I have the ginger, and with the tablespoon I get 1 tablespoon water. And we just mix. So next we just extract the juice. So now we have the ginger juice and just leave it aside. Okay, we start to make the marinade. So we have the 1 tablespoon ginger juice. Here 1 tablespoon ginger juice. Two tablespoon mirin. Two tablespoons sake. And the last one, 2 tablespoons soy sauce. So now we will start to cut the meat between the fat and the meat here. We will slice cut only one side, and we cut 3. Okay, 1, and here 3. When you fry the meat, it will prevent it curling. Okay, 1. Just put there after that. 1, 2, 3. One, 2, 3. Okay. And we just leave it here for 5 minutes. And don't marinate for too long, or the meat will become tough. So let's make the pan hot, and we have to wait a few minutes for it hot to check the pan here. So sesame oil here, I have the oil here, teaspoon, 1, 2 teaspoon. This here. So to fry the pork, we need to turn it over. It's between medium and high here, so I choose the number 9. And then we quickly to turn the sun side of the pot. Yes. I think I need to adjust the heat around 8. Okay. we just simmer it for 2 minutes. Turn in the broth few times until the sauce thickens slightly and coat the meat evenly. So now 2 minutes past, it's time to turn off. So now we can enjoy it. You can see. So really nice. Let's enjoy with the hot rice. So now I prepare the cabbage, the shred cabbage in the dish here, and then we will put the pan fried pork with ginger. Okay. Pour over the sauce here. Okay. Finally, we have the pan fried pork with ginger. Let's enjoy it.